Hello, I'm Anna, polymer clay jewelry artist, a mom and a very creative person. I started my polymer clay jewelry business journey after my maternity leave, and I wish this video finds you to motivate you to create something new, something yours, and to make your wishes come true. If you like this video, you can like it and subscribe to my channel. I will be very happy. I have finished these little shells, stud shells. So I will make a quick try on, and you can see how they are on the ears. I love them so much. And another ones. I have finished also spiral shells. They are also small ones for studs. I'm filming this part of the video again because the footage was destroyed, was damaged. I don't know what was the reason. So I will make now a try on these spiral shell earrings. I hope this quality of the video is better than the other footage. I had some settings that are not so good because this is my new camera, and yeah, I need to figure out and learn how to film. So I hope the color of this footage will be better, more bright colors. Other footage is pale somehow. Okay, so not important. Okay, so I have these spiral shell studs on my ears now, and they are very cute. I polish my jewelry so they look like a porcelain, so I'm very proud of that. And yeah, they are very minimalistic and simple but cute at the same time. So yeah, you can wear them on a daily basis for everyday look, and you can also wear at night. Today I'm spending some time on computer work, creating new jewelry cards for my pieces. I want my logo to be perfectly positioned with that clean and balanced look that makes it stand out. For the colors, I'm going with blue and dusty rose. These are the signature shades of my brand, and they bring that soft but modern vibe I love. My summer collection is all in cream and white tones, and I have noticed that it doesn't show up well on plain white cards, especially in photos. It just blends it too much. That's why I'm designing cards that create a gentle contrast, so the jewelry truly shines both in real life and in pictures. I actually love this part of the creative process, seeing how small design details can completely transform the way my jewelry is presented. I'm also planning to update my Etsy shop and Pinterest. I have some new collections that I have never uploaded before, and they deserve to be seen. Summer is the time I want to focus on all this kind of behind-the-scenes work, organizing, creating and updating, so that by fall I will be ready to set and achieve new goals. That's enough computer work for today. Let's go cycling with my family. My husband is actually a cycling coach, but you wouldn't know it from this video. It looks more like I'm the coach, dressed almost like a professional. I really like sports, especially fitness and cycling. For me, it's the perfect balance to the more sedentary work of making jewelry. I also love spending time in nature with my family. Lately I have noticed that I'm being drawn to the water. There's something magical about watching the movement of a river or the waves of the sea. The sound of water truly relaxes me and gives me peace. Socha River and the town Nova Gorica. I'm not beautifully dressed today, but yeah, we will survive. Along the way, we came across beautiful olive trees, vineyards full of grapes, and even peach trees. I just love this part of my country. There's something so peaceful and charming about it.